I am Gabriel Carvajal from Uruguay. We are trying to harvest soybean, and I say we are trying because combine is broken. So this is kind of a regular day at the farm where you don't know when the machinery is working or not. So we are trying to fix it. As you can see, soybean is ready for being harvested. We don't know the yield yet, but we are having a good quality grain. So the idea is to fix this combine, and tomorrow afternoon probably we will start again with harvest. This farm is located in Uruguay, South America. It's a rolling terrain where we plant soybean and corn during summer, and we plant wheat and barley and canola during winter, and some oats also. We do no-till planting system in 100% of the area. So today, after fixing the combine, we could start harvesting again. You can see soybean is ready for harvest. This is a regular no-till soybean planted in a high quality soil here in Soriano in Uruguay. As I said, we plant no-till in the whole system, right? And we use a lot of technology for improving agriculture here in Uruguay. For example, we plant cover crops. I want to see if I can find. We planted this a little bit late, but you can see here, this is black oat seed, right? So after the combine passes, it covers the soil with straw, right? This stubble, and then that cover crop's going to start, and we will not graze this cover crop with animals. We will leave it for improving soil quality, infiltration, and everything we can do. We need to cover this soil because it rains too much here in Uruguay, and if we don't do that, we might have a lot of erosion problems.